How to log in YouTube Kids account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and log in the YouTube Kids account step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you will need to download the YouTube Kids app. To do that, start by opening the Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device and search for the YouTube Kids in the search bar. And once you have found that, simply tap install button and wait for the app to download and install. And once it's installed, simply tap the open button to launch the app. Now, once you have opened the app, let's set up your YouTube Kids account. So when the app opens, simply tap on get started and then tap on the arrow button to proceed. Now select the sign in and choose a Google account you would like to use for the YouTube Kids. And after that, enter the password of that Gmail account. And once you're done with it, simply tap on the next button. And now it's time to set up your child profile. In this page, you simply have to enter your child name, age and birth month in the fields provided. And once you're done with that, simply tap on the arrow to move forward. Now choose the recommended content settings based on your child age and preferences and then tap select and wait for the setup process to complete. And with that, that's it. Your child profile is now set. Now to explore the app, check out the tour of features that YouTube Kids provide by default and you are all set to enjoy a safe, kid-friendly content experience for your little one. Go ahead and give it a try. Thanks you so much for watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.